Hello everyone, welcome back to BlacX Studio. Do you know that now you can edit your WhatsApp messages? Or you don't? Let's go and talk about it. WhatsApp has granted users one of the most awaited feature, the ability to edit message. For the moment when you make a mistake or simply change your mind, you can now edit a send message on WhatsApp. From correcting a simple misspelling to adding an extra context to a message, all you need to do is a long press on a send message and choose edit from the menu up to 15 minutes after you send the message. Well, edited messages will display edited alongside them, so those you are messaging are aware of the correction without showing the edit history. As with all the personal messages, medias and calls, your messages and the edit will make you protected by end-to-end encryption. This feature has started rolling out to the users globally and will be available to everyone in coming weeks. With the feature rolling out globally in the coming weeks, sender will be able to modify their message within 15 minutes of hitting send. Competing apps such as Telegram and Signal already allow users to edit the messages. Well, that's it for today. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for such interesting news. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.